Hey guys, E here with another tutorial video. We have a CAMRY 2006. We're replacing the belt today. It shouldn't take that long. I already took the belt out. Let me show you guys how to do it. So, start by inspecting the belt. You guys can see this little crack marks. Crack. The belt's completely cracked. There you go. You guys can see. Belt should not be like this. See, it's cracked. I already went ahead and got a new one just to show you guys how it should look like. No crack marks, nice and new. A few tips. Well, yeah, one of them is I can't really do it, but you gotta. It's always a good thing to grab both belts and stretch them, you know, just to match them. Usually, most of the times, you know, you get the right one, but tools that you'll need, you know, like a long ratchet in a 19 socket. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but yeah, I got my 19 little socket right there, and got this. So I already took it out. I mean, essentially, you pull on the little. There's a 19 little type of socket that they put in there in the tensioner, and then it pulls down, and then the belt flexes and it loosens out. I'm gonna show you guys how it goes. Yeah, I got my marker here. I remember because I saw it on the I remember how it goes. I remember how I took it out. So this car goes like this. See, it has a power steering pump. Do it like that. And then it has a pulley right here. Just put pulley. P. Then it has the crank right here. Crank right there. Crank. Then it has a tensioner, and then it has the alternator. Alternator, generator, whatever you guys want to call it. So the way it goes. Oh, and then the AC. Forgot the AC. AC compressor. All right. So the way it goes is power steering pump, then goes up here. Hey, I'm not even recording it. Sorry. Then it goes like that. Then this one, this side goes like this, all the way around, all the way around, and boom. So this part is the belt, and that's how it should look like. All the way in, out, in, tensioner, pulley, and the crank pulley, and the AC alternator here. Now let's see. Well, that's what it should look like. Not my best drawing, but you guys get the point. All right, so we go here. Leave the paper. It's kind of hard to use one hand and record, but you guys can see you got the alternator here. AC compressor right there. That's my tensioner, pulley, power steering, crank, and then the pulley right here, that's the water pump. That'll be this one, the only one that I put tensioner. This water pump. That one right there, the big one right there. You can see that one. I'm putting it right there. So that's the water pump. I'm gonna try to situate the phone here so you guys can see while I do it, but see if it works out. Let's see if I can put my phone I was able to put the belt in. You guys can see over the alternator, water pump pulley, the tensioner pulley in the back over there is the power steering pump, crankshaft pulley in the bottom, and then the compressor pulley right there in the bottom. Now, I am a little different. I leave this pulley last, and you know, that's the way I learned to do it. But you can also, instead of leaving this pulley like the last one, like I had it, you can leave the water pump pulley to be the last one to put on. Sometimes easier, sometimes not. But usually, if you leave it that way, since let me show you why I'm saying that. The pulley here for the alternator has ridges. These ridges sometimes really hard to take it out. I mean, take it out, put it in the belt. And the water pump right there, it doesn't have any ridges, it's smooth. So you know, in theory it should be easier to put it there. I'm just a little stubborn sometimes. That's the way I learned how to do it. So, but remember, always check your belt before you put it on with the new one. Compare both of them. Do the diagram, the little diagram thing, you know, draw it around before you take it out. And then, you know, you need, for this type of car, the Camry 2006, I believe it's 07, 2007, 2005 maybe. If they use an engine, a 2AZ engine, this type of motor, you do the, like, this tutorial will be good for you, because this type of engine, this is what it looks like. Sometimes, I'm not sure though, the power steering, the belt might be a little different, because I might not have a power steering, you know, reservoir and everything like that. Might be just a regular steering rack. But yeah, make sure you check off your belt. For this type of work, you'll need a 19 that goes there, small 19 socket, a ratchet or a wrench, whatever you want to use, but make sure it's 19. You pull it, belt will get loose, take it out, put it back in, and then make sure after you put it all the way in, make sure the belt is seated correctly in the grooves. Those type of grooves, like you can see them right there in the crank pulley, all the way in the bottom. This groove right there, or like in the power steering pump over there. Make sure it's sitting correctly. There's no like misalignment, because whenever you start the car, the belt might come off, or you will hear noises and stuff. But that's about it. Now make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you guys tell me, you know, if I could do something different, or you guys another process to do things. And check out the other videos. I got other videos that I uploaded. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.